Hey everyone, I'm Erin and I'm an educator at the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher. This week, our videos are all about ecosystems. I'm going to show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly ecosystem snack. To help me make this snack, I have a special guest with me here today. Oh, and here he comes.
Hi, I'm QT, short for Quarren Turtle.
Hey QT, thanks for joining us today.
You're welcome.
Before we make our snack, QT, will you help me tell everyone about ecosystems?
Of course.
Do you know the two main factors that make up an ecosystem?
Yes. Abiotic factors are non-living and biotic are living.
That is correct. QT, can you show me which of these things are our abiotic factors, so our non-living factors?
Of course. The ground, like rocks or sand, are non-living factors. Water is a non-living factor, and also sunlight.
Great job, QT.
Yay!
Now, how about our living things, our biotic factors?
Yes, our living things are producers, like plants and trees and grass. Our consumers, like me and other animals. And decomposers, who break down dead things, like worms and mushrooms. Good job, QT. Now that we know what is needed to make an ecosystem, let's make an edible one. All you need for this snack are PB&J ingredients. Let's first start with the abiotic factors. QT, do you remember what those are? Non-living things.
You are right. We're going to use our peanut butter for our dirt. And our jelly will be our water. So I'm making kind of a pond ecosystem. So I'm going to put the jelly in the middle for our pond. Perfect. So now we have our dirt and our water.
Looks great.
Thanks, QT. Now for our biotic factors. Remember what those are?
Living things.
Yes. Now this is the fun part. I'm using snacks I have around the house. No need to go out and buy these exact ingredients. Try using snacks you have at home.
Be creative.
Yes, that is right, QT. So for my biotic factors, I'm going to use some lollipops for our producers as trees, and my goldfish for fish in the pond, and some gummy worms for my decomposers.
That is a crazy sandwich.
You are right, QT. After you create your ecosystem, it's time to close it up and give it a taste. What do you think, QT? You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. I had to take the lollipops off to close it up, but I will definitely eat those later. All right, here we go. Thank you all for watching this video. Tune in on Wednesday for story time with Casey, and have an ecosystem-tastic day.
Bye.